In the sea of blondes out there, sometimes us golden blondes get a little bit forgotten. So today I'm super excited to share with you some of my favorite tips and tricks to make your golden locks look luxurious and feel amazing. Hi friends, my name is Emiley Golie and I'm an educator for Kérastase as well as a full-time hairstylist behind the chair at Lunatic Fringe Salon in Salt Lake City, Utah. So today I'm super excited to talk to you about a few of my favorite things that I love to help maintain my own hair, as well as all of my clients and my guests who have blonde hair. Especially today we're going to specialize and talk mostly about the golden blonde. So let's talk about the different kinds of blondes out there before we get started, right? We have all kinds of blondes. We are a rainbow, we're a spectrum. We're like, what's gonna look best on us? What color of blonde should we be? And how do we make that decision? So if you have a cooler skin tone, most generally speaking, the cooler tones look really great on you, right? You want those really ashy colors and not a lot of warmth, no yellow or no like orangey coppery tones at all. If you have a neutral skin tone, well then you're the lucky one because you can do whatever you want and you'll be just fine. And then there's those that have the more golden and the warmer skin tone. And we, I put myself in that category. We most generally look way better when we have a warmer tone hair. Now, I'm not saying that if you have a warm skin tone that you can't rock an amazing platinum ice queen look. I'm sure you can. I like to stick to a really natural golden blonde because I really want it to complement my skin tone, bring out the brightness in my eye. I want you to do what you're comfortable doing and wear what you feel comfortable wearing. And I think only you can be the judge of that. So a little over a year ago, Kérastase came out with a brand new range that's specifically for blondes. And it is called Blond Absolu, and it's amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and we're gonna go through that today, pick it apart so we can really learn which would work best for you as a golden blonde. And I wanna go over some really great styling products and things as well that can really help you maintain that gold blonde look without it getting brassy or anything like that. So let's start with what we're gonna use for cleansing condition. The first are our cleansing, right? So we have two cleansers. We have our Bain Lumière and our Bain Ultraviolet. So our Bain Lumière is our really basic one for anyone. And then our Bain Ultraviolet, as you can see when I open it up, it has that purple tone that's gonna help cancel out some warmth if we need it. We have our Cicaflash conditioner, and this is our mask ultraviolet. So the mask ultraviolet, just like the shampoo or the Bain ultraviolet, is that purple hue. Just gonna help to tone out your hair. The next and the last part of the Blond Absolu range is our Cicaflash, which is our leave-in, and it is a heat protectant too. So I love this one. I can't go anywhere without it anymore. So if you're seeing the warmth, and the warmth is more at the root area within the first, few inches of your hair, I would stick with the shampoo. But if you're feeling like the warmth comes out through your mids or through your ends, that you want to kind of brighten, then I would go with the mask. And the mask is awesome because the mask you can leave on kind of as a treatment, 10 minutes maybe or so, and you can really knock out some warmth if you're feeling a little too warm. Its main key ingredients, which are actually the same main key ingredients in all of the products, are hyaluronic acid, and that is going to help prevent any future breakage and really strengthen your hair. And then it has the Edelweiss flower. The Edelweiss flower is really rich in antioxidants, and it really is going to go in and help protect that hair and make sure that it is not going to get any daily damage, and it's really going to help soften it as well. So the ultraviolet obviously has an added technology, which is the ultraviolet neutralizer, which is highly concentrated, and it's really going to go in and cancel out some of those underlying warm tones. And as a golden blonde, I've used this, and you don't lose the golden, it just brightens up some of the lighter pieces. The Lumière is awesome though because it is so moisturizing, but it's not heavy, so it's not gonna weigh your hair down. It really works for all blonde hair types. So when it comes to cleansing condition, also when it comes to protecting it against heat, This guy, amazing. Heat protection. Also, it immediately unifies any kind of damage that's in the individual strands, which helps them be nice and soft and smooth. I would still always recommend putting your heat protectant in before you even think about anything else. I always like putting it in even before I brush my hair. That way it's protected no matter what. All right, the next thing that I would not go without when it comes to protecting my hair and styling my hair is our Les Incroyables. We have our Les Incroyables lotion and we have our Les Incroyables cream. The Les Incroyables Blowdry is lighter for finer to medium textures, whereas the Les Incroyables Crème or cream is a little bit thicker and really great for smoothing out rougher textures, coarser hair, thicker hair, things like that. It also has this like micro wax in it. The micro wax does a few things. The first thing it does is it's gonna help to repel the grease, so you actually won't get as greasy as usual. It also helps to smooth out frizz, so you have 72 hours of frizz protection, which is amazing. And the last thing it does is it really helps you restyle your hair. Once again, we know with the chemical damage that we want to protect it as much as possible. Putting all these products in are also great, but the next biggest way we damage our hair is heat styling. If you can maybe hold back on heat styling and maybe only heat style every other time, just kind of taking turns and not really using too much heat on your hair, it's really gonna save your hair and help it stay nice and strong. This is actually my most favorite product in the world. This baby right here, the Elixir Ultime Original Oil, is my most favorite and cherished product. I love it. So this baby is consisting of 3 different oils. We have marula oil, camilla oil, and argan oil. And combined together, they create super shiny hair with optimal nourishment, right? So we've got vitamin E from the argan oil. We've got antioxidants and essential fatty acids, amino acids, things like that. They're gonna help keep the hair soft and supple, and moisturized. And we also want it to leave a shine. So the camilla oil is gonna absorb more quickly and then reflect that amazing shine. So this baby is awesome. I use it in my hair wet and I use it in my hair dry. So hopefully we learned some really good tips for our golden blonde hair and how to care for it. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hair.com. And you can catch me on my Instagram, which is @mgolielocks is my handle. I have a hashtag, which is just Goldilocks. Instead of Goldilocks, just leave out the D and it's Goldilocks because that's my last name. It was great being with you guys today. Please, if you have any questions, DM me, do whatever you gotta do, and I'd love to keep in touch.